We just bought Aravir a crocodile. Good morning guys, it's the second day in Chennai and we're off to Mahabalipuram. It is exciting. We're also going to a crocodile bank, which my husband is really excited about, and so are we. It's going to be interesting. I have been to a crocodile bank before. I don't know where, but somewhere with my parents, and it was really nice. There were different types of species and everything, although they all look like crocodile. We really want to see how he reacts to the crocodile bank, so that'll be interesting. There's also a Shiva temple that we want to cover, which is I've heard there are caves and everything there, so that should be interesting. Let's see what else we do today. If you haven't subscribed already, subscribe already, and if you're new on this channel, then hi, I'm RGV and you're watching RGV Love. I usually do vlogs at my home, but we are outside right now, so we are in Chennai and we are traveling. Madras Crocodile Bank. Just gonna go in and show this little boy crocodiles. Hey. For a minute I thought these are stones and there'll just be a few of them, but look at how many.
अच्छा एक इधर पड़ा हुआ वो हिला ये वाला हिला देखो। Ivy, crocodile. Crocodile. Ah. Can we see the crocodile? Crocodile. Ah. Hath andar nahi. Crocodile. Do you like it? Ivy, do you like it? Tata. Crocodile. Aravi, dekho. Bitu. Look at this. हिलता है ये। हिलेगा। Toma. Daddy ने crocodile. Look at how it's laying down. सांस लेने के लिए बाबा नहीं आ रही वीर क्रोकोडाइल। अरवीर ये क्या है? अरवीर ये क्या है? ये क्या है? अरवीर क्या देख रहा है? वो बच्चों को देख रहा है। अरे वीर, सामने देखो क्रोकोडाइल। इग्वाना। ओह, इग्वाना बेटा। जाइंट टॉर्टोइस। अरे वीर, ये क्या है? जाइंट टॉर्टोइस। हाँ, हमारे घर में एक वो है ना, टॉर्टोइस बैम्बू प्लांट होल्डर जैसे। कर रहा टॉर्टोइस। टेडी नहीं है, टॉर्टोइस है। टॉर्टोइस। अरे वीर, You like it? You will like it?
This is your crocodile.
It's your crocodile. We got your crocodile.
Crocodile.
We got our crocodile.
कर रहा है।
नहीं, इसे गुदगुदी हो रही है।
अरे इसको मुंह खुला देख के डर लगता है।
अभी थोड़ी देर में सारा डर निकलता है। चलो। From the crocodile bank, our driver just told us there is a place called Tiger Caves, so we just come here to explore and see what it is. Envying all of you guys sitting at home looking at the screen thinking, wow Rolly, it's such a lovely weather. It is super duper hot right now. I can't even tell you how bright the sun is right now. In the camera, although it looks like this is like the best weather there can ever be type of weather. Ooh, cool breeze. As we're getting nearer to the sea, we're getting cooler breezes. Where is our Ravir? There is our Ravir. I love Soul Slings for this reason, that it's so easy to go out with the baby. I'm not really sure how much you can hear me because it's extremely windy. And I've heard that camera thingies don't work, like camera audio doesn't really work that well. I can see the Shore Temple from here. It certainly looks really nice. Arivir, can you see the Shore Temple? I have a feeling that he can see a lot more when he's tied at the back than he can when he's tied in the front. He has more space to kind of move around and look at things. That I can honestly say looks really nice. It's Shore Temple.
टेम्पल से तो शोर पे तो नहीं जा सकते ना?
नहीं, but ये temple on the shore है, तो like that. Look at how magnificent it looks. Look, these look like cow structures. Oh, Narsimha. And this is like a perfectly room in a way, kind of a temple. I love these, the ones that are kind of left to nature and left to be taken by nature. I love that. I don't love the restored kind of mandirs. I like these. Look. It's really hot. Anyways, I'm just waiting for my husband to go get his sunglasses. My mother-in-law is sitting somewhere for a little while. The wind is very nice and cool. I'm gonna go and take some selfies because we didn't come all the way over here to not take selfies. So we're gonna go do that. Then we're gonna go have lunch, and then we'll go back. And in the evening, we'll probably go shopping. Evening with the shopping, in the evening we'll go shopping. My husband bought a hat from himself. We found a hat similar to it for Aravir, but he kept taking it off, so that didn't happen. Chale, selfie. We are inside Nali looking for sarees. Look at this poster. Look how amazing that is. They made a flower out of the sari palla. Hey, say hi. So many. Now at Kumran Sarees, and look at how gigantic the stores are. We just came from Nali and that's as huge as well. We are back. We had some dinner near the place we're staying and we shopped a lot. I got some really nice sarees. I will show you guys the sarees once I reach back Delhi. It's just a little too much of a hassle to open them right now. I also got some gacharas, but it's too late to like wear them right now because if I wear them, I'll just wear them and sleep. So I'll try and wear a gachara tomorrow. So yeah, tomorrow we are leaving for Coimbatore, from where we'll take a bus with all the people that are coming here for the wedding, and we'll go to Kodaikanal, which is exciting. If you enjoyed the day and if you enjoyed vlogs like these, then make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and also click that subscribe button if you haven't already. I will see you guys soon. Bye. Oh, I completely forgot to mention while coming back, so the place where we are staying has some children's, what do you call them, jhula ko English mein play. There was a playground basically, and Aravir sat on swings and other children thingies for the first time today, but unfortunately I did not have my camera with me, so we couldn't record it. But I was really happy. This is like so nice to see. Right now he's laughing and running across the rooms, which is like the cutest thing ever. Anyways, bye guys.